Will AI replace enterprise architects? Spoiler, here is why not. Dina Dupe is here. I am MSc at Enterprise IT Architecture and I'm Certified Master Architect Level 2 by the Open Group. AI just designed this architecture, but here is why 92% of enterprise architects say they're not scared of being replaced. Spoiler, if you master these 3 skills, you thrive in the AI era. Let's dive in. Skill number 1, strategic alignment. AI can't lobby the CFO for budget or align IT with business goals. Example, Walmart architect saves $200 million by killing redundant AI projects that didn't match KPIs. Skill number 2, ethical governance. AI tools like GitHub Copilot can't audit for compliance or ethics. Architects at Boeing blocked an AI model that violated FAA safety rules. Your judgment is irreplaceable. Skill number 3, human-centric design. AI builds systems, but architects design experiences. Starbucks architects revamped their app using customer journey maps, something AI can't empathize with. Download our AI-proof EA skills checklist, link below, to future-proof your career. Agree that AI won't replace architects, right? Smash the like button? You think I'm wrong? Then comment Skynet below. Let's debate.